Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create and use a briefing document in NotebookLM to quickly understand information from your resources. First, open NotebookLM and sign into your account. Next, create a new notebook or open an existing notebook that already contains your sources. If you haven't added any sources yet, upload the documents you'd like NotebookLM to analyze. Once your sources are ready, look for the briefing document option in the Studio panel and click it. NotebookLM will analyze your sources and automatically create a briefing document that summarizes the most important information. Review the briefing document to get a quick overview of the key points, topics, and insights from your sources. You can also ask follow-up questions based on the briefing document to get more details or clarification about specific topics. And that's how you use briefing documents in NotebookLM. It's a quick way to understand large amount of information without reading every source individually. Thanks for watching.